Hello everybody. On this video we have a '04 Maserati Quattroporte. So I just want to show how to do a differential service. It takes a little bit of labor. Uh, we can see a real nice four-door sedan. Uh, we are here in the back. First of all, we need to remove let me see, a pipe between those two holes, and then we need to remove the speed sensor. Okay, and this is the filler plug. Okay, uh, here's the filler plug, and this is the drain. Okay, probably took me like an hour to remove all those brackets. You can see right here. But anyway, I'm just gonna. The manual says just regular gear oil for that Maserati, and also we had to do an oil change. You know, I was able to reset the service maintenance with the scan tool, which was pretty nice function. Okay. Thank you for watching.